4 Demore Engineering A-Series amplifiers. We got two 1500.2s on the subs, two 1500.4s on the doors, on the door speakers, two sets of 3-ways up there, 6 B2 Audio 12-inch Rage Extreme subs, Alright, part 2. Free YouTube beats. They sound good in my videos. They sound like they're slapping, but do they sound good on a real system? Do they slap? Can you get away with these on the boulevard? Let's find out. Come by with me. I don't know who it is by, but that's the name of the song. Let's try another one. We'll do 3 of them. This one's called Everywhere You Know. Don't know who this one's by either. Not a banger. Sounds good though. Sounds like something I would use with time lapse because it's got that fast-paced sound to it. So I wouldn't call that one a banger, but it sounds alright for what I use it for. Let's find another one. This one's called Hollow Bells. I know I've used this one before. It sounds real familiar.
Perfect.
Sounds good even before I lay into the bass. Turn the bass down. That's just door speaker. Do another one. Oh, I've used this one a bunch of times. Things are going south. Yeah, this is like my outro.